Hey guys, it's Ninja here, and welcome to part 2 on how to make a map voting system. So let's go ahead and show you what the end product will look like. I know I've already showed you it, but you know, I showed you in the last video, but I'll show you it again. So we have to wait for 20 seconds, or however we can make it however long you like. You can make it so you don't wait as long, or you can wait longer, but it doesn't matter. I'll show you about that. So it's been 20 seconds. Now we're like, oh, let's vote that, and it goes up, and like, let's change it to that, and then we can unvote like that. So that's pretty much what I'm going to show you for today. Now first, we will make this voting menu visible just for the actual making. And let's go into the text button, or whatever you called it. So this one's for let's go to the first one, the first map you made, and then you should have a local script. Now let's begin writing this local script. So first you write script.Parent.mouse button click on connect function. This is just to make it so when you press the button, the function happens. Then we'll create a variable called player, and then you'll say game.Players.LocalPlayer. And then now you're going to check if script.Parent.Text is already voted. So if the text is already called voted, then we're going to first get the int value that we made, and we're going to say its value adds 1. We'll add 1 to its value, and then we'll change the button's text, and then so we'll say script.Parent.Text equals, and we'll write whatever it was originally called, and mine's Baseplate. Now we're going to write an else, and then so we're going to write script.Parent.CBVotes. Oh wait, I made a mistake here. So this one's actually taking 1, because if it's already voted, that means you're unvoting it and it takes 1 value. Now this one, you're going to be adding it. And then you're going to say script.Parent.Text equals voted. So this means you voted it when the value goes up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to write if script.Parent.Text equals voted. Oh wait, not that. Sorry, my bad. We're going to say script.Parent.Parent.TextButton, or whatever you called your other one. So this should be for the platforms, or whatever it is. And then .text equals voted. Then we're gonna do this, and we're gonna say that text button and its values equal. So we're gonna take 1 value from it, because we're making that value, like we're getting rid of that vote for it. And then now we're gonna write the PT value, which should be this one that we made, and we're going to make that whatever the value of this int value we made is, so that it will be able to like calculate the votes. And so that's what the text will be. And then don't forget to write .value. Now next you'll write script.Parent.TextButton.Text equals, and then whatever you called the other one originally. And then finally at the end we're gonna say script.Parent.Parent.CBVotes script.Parent.CBValue.Text. So we're gonna make the CB value whatever this text button, whatever this value is, and CBVotes.Value. Okay, so that should be working. So we'll go ahead and test. Now, when we press this, the votes go up, and if we press it again, that happens. Now, yeah, we'll have to script that. So next, we can go ahead. You know what? How about we copy this script? So let's copy this script, Control C, Control V. Now we'll change everything that we have to change. So for this, we have to change to PT votes, and then we change the text to platforms or whatever you called it. And then, so this one is meant to be PT votes. So just go ahead and change it. I'll probably get this fast forward. Okay, so that should be it solved. Now let's go ahead and test it out. If you're having any bugs, I'll make sure to send a copy of the script in the description so that you can still use it. So when I vote, it should be like that. So, yep, it's working nice and perfectly. So let's go ahead and stop it. So last of all, last time I showed you all this with that as a comment. So let's go ahead and do this. So first, we're gonna have, so just copy down what I wrote except for your different names. So first, we're gonna make it so that since we want to reset everything, we're gonna want to make it so that the text button's text is back to normal, which is platforms. The other text button's text is also back to what's normal, and that would be that. And then you'll make all the values back to 0. And then lastly, you'll make sure that the text is whatever the values are, which means the text over here will be 0 when you go back in, because you don't want to start the vote with like one of them already being voted. So get that all down, and then that should be it. So you can go ahead, make this menu invisible, and that should be it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't worry, I will send the link to the script in the description. Please like and subscribe, and bye.